A share value equivalent to $4.2834 a coin. The present reach. $4.2628, $4.3732. The earlier day close. $4.3131. The change was 0.0297, 0.69%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $4.58. Most extreme cost $4.81, least cost $3.83. The normal for the month $4.34. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.12, change for October 10.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at $4.12. Most extreme cost $4.52, least cost $3.61. The normal for the month $4.05. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.94, change for November 4.4%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $3.94. Greatest cost $4.14, least cost $3.60. The normal for the month $3.89. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.87, change for December 1.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at $3.87. Greatest cost $3.87, least cost $3.02. The normal for the month $3.50. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.25, change for January 16.0%. A share cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $3.25. Most extreme cost $3.51, least cost $3.05. The normal for the month $3.27. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.28, change for February 0.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.28. Greatest cost $3.28, least cost $2.65. The normal for the month $3.02. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.85, change for spring 13.1%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $2.85. Greatest cost $2.85, least cost $2.30. The normal for the month $2.62. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.47, change for April 13.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $2.47. Most extreme cost $2.49, least cost $2.17. The normal for the month $2.37. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.33, change for May 5.7%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $2.33. Most extreme cost $2.33, least cost $1.90. The normal for the month $2.15. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.04, change for June 12.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at $2.04. Greatest cost $2.04, least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.88. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.78, change for July 12.7%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $1.78. Most extreme cost $2.20, least cost $1.78. The normal for the month $1.96. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.06, change for August 15.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset cost at $2.06. Most extreme cost $2.06, least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.89. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.78, change for September 13.6%. Axie cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.78. Greatest cost $1.78, least cost $1.40. The normal for the month $1.62. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.50. Change for October 15.7%. Axie cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $2.28. Most extreme cost $2.82, least cost $2.28. The normal for the month $2.51. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.64, change for December 15.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $2.64. Most extreme cost $2.64, least cost $2.06. The normal for the month $2.39. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.22, change for January 15.9%. Axie cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $2.22. Greatest cost $2.22, least cost $1.89. The normal for the month $2.09. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.03, change for February 8.6%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $2.03. Greatest cost $2.51, least cost $2.03. The normal for the month $2.23. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.35, change for spring 15.8%. Axie cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.35. Greatest cost $2.39, least cost $2.07. The normal for the month $2.26. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.23, change for April 5.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $2.23. Most extreme cost $2.23, least cost $1.74. The normal for the month $2.02. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.87, change for May 16.1%. Axie cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $1.87. Most extreme cost $2.20, least cost $1.87. The normal for the month $2. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.06, change for June 10.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $2.06. Most extreme